Good morning, everyone. My name is Walida Hooker, and welcome again to Walida's Fine Cuisine. Okay, but first of all, before we start cooking, we have to always wash our hands. Okay, so as I said before, the soap on your hands. You always sing it through the birthday song, always, at least 20 seconds. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Walida. Happy birthday to me. Make sure you get all the soap and everything off your hands. Kind of hold off, dry your hands. Okay. Now, for those who don't know, I'm with the Boys and Girls Club of Virginia Peninsula, Greater Hampton Roads Unit. And as always, I always like to cook and make nutritious, economical meals that you can do at home without even have to cost a lot of money. Okay? Now, my hands are dry. Today, we are going to make crunchy apple boats. Say that again. Crunchy apple boats. And it's fairly simple. All you need is an apple. Make sure you take the stem off. Twist it off. Okay. Rinse the apple off. You always want a clean apple. You know what they say? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So make sure you have that, okay? Now, the ingredients it's going to consist of are apples, peanut butter, Rice Krispies, sharp cheddar cheese, and toothpicks. Told you, fairly simple and economical. You can make. These are some ingredients you might have in your house right now that you didn't know that you can make a meal out of. Okay, make sure you hold it tonight. Make sure you have parents' permission, 12 and under. We don't want anybody cutting your fingers off, okay? So please get permission first. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut the apple in half. Okay? Take a spoon. We're going to take the core out. Okay? Take the core out. See? And the reason why I say use a spoon is much easier. You can just dig in there and grab the core as opposed to trying to use a knife. Okay? Alright. So, this apple. Now what you're going to do, me, myself personally, I really love crunchy peanut butter. So therefore, I have Peter Pan crunchy peanut butter. You can use any type of peanut butter that you choose to, but I just love crunchy. So what you're going to do is, you can either take a spoon or you should have a plastic knife, spread it over the apple. I just love apples and peanut butter. Okay, just spread it. And like I said, it's fairly simple. You can do this in within 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So you're going to spread it. Okay, get the other apple. Spread it as well. And notice, as long as you have the little dip in the middle, you can pack it with peanut butter. Makes it even more interesting. So when you bite it, you have the little big old thick chunk in the middle of good old peanut butter. Okay? Now, after we completely spread it over the apple, next what you're going to do is you're going to grab some Rice Krispie treats. Okay? You grab some Rice Krispie treats. Take it and just sprinkle it. That's all. Just sprinkle. Sprinkle. See that? Sprinkle. And if you want to, it's always good to eat some Rice Krispies too. Now, next, what you're going to do, you're going to get your cheese, slice it, but you're going to make it into sailboats. Okay? Now, it's really fairly easy to make a sailboat. Cut it diagonal. You see? It looks like a sail. What you're going to do next, you're going to get a toothpick, stick it in the sail, and plop it on your apple like that. Again, as I said, you're going to get a toothpick, okay? Get a sail, or should I say stale cheese, stick it on the apple like that, and voila, apple crispos. Let's see how it tastes. This is juicy. Hashtag BGCBP. Hashtag Greater Hampton Roads. Hashtag Marshall Court. Hashtag Buckaroo. Hashtag citizens. Y'all have a good day out there. Stay safe. Eat healthy.